Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can write your first PHP program on MacBook with the Apple Silicon. So for that you just need to download XAMPP. So to download XAMPP, just go to your favorite browser and search for download XAMPP and just go to this first link from apachefriends.org, and if you just scroll down, so you can see the XAMPP for Mac. So just go with this latest version, so just click on download. So here you can see the download XAMPP success. So if you just go to this tab, so now this should start downloading the XAMPP. So the download will shortly start. So this is taking much time. So if you are getting more time, so you can just click on this problem downloading and just choose other mirror. So let me just choose this one. So this might download faster than this one. So let's wait for this to download. So here you can see, so this is downloading much faster than this one. So you can just change according to your preference. So like if you are able to download from other mirror fastly, so you can just go with that as well. So here you can see, so the DMG file is already downloaded. So let me just cancel this one first and let me just click on show in Finder. So here you can see, so this has already been downloaded. So let me just double click in this DMG file to install. So just double click on the installer and just enter the password of your Mac. So now this should start installing the XAMPP. So just click on next, just click on next, just press on next. So now this should unpack the files and install the XAMPP. So here you can see the installation is completed. So let me just click on finish. So now this should redirect us to this XAMPP page, and also this should start the XAMPP manager. So let me just close this one from here and let me just drag this one and let me just bring it to the next desktop. So here you can see the XAMPP server. So let me just click on XAMPP server. So here it has already started the Apache web server. So if you want to install the MySQL database, so you can just go here and click on start. So this should start the MySQL database also. So but for PHP, so we don't need this MySQL database for now, but the Apache web server is like it is important to start. So just start this one. So this has already started, so I don't need to do anything. So if in your case, so if it is stopped, so you can just click on start. So this should start the Apache web server as well. So once the Apache web server is started, so just go to your browser again. So let me just close everything from here and just type localhost. So if this is showing something like this, then the XAMPP like the Apache web server is successfully started. So once this is done, so we just need to now write the code. So for that, just go to the Finder and just go into this applications folder. So here you will be able to see this XAMPP folder. So just go inside there and just go inside this htdocs, and inside here, so let me just create one folder and let me call it demo, or you can just give any name, and you just need to open this demo folder into the VSCode. So for that, let me just open VSCode and let me just again open this folder, and you can just drag and drop into this VSCode. So this should open this demo folder, and let me just write something like demo.php. so or you can just give any name. So just give the demo.php, and here so you just need to start writing the program. So just write the program. So you can just write hello world program here and just type echo. So this is just for printing, and just type hello world and just give semicolon and just close this one and just type command and S to save. So once you save this demo.php, so you just need to go to the browser again and just clear this dashboard and just give the name of folder, which is demo in our case. So we have just given demo here, so this is the folder name, and also we have given the file name demo. So this is the file name. So you can see the demo.php. so just give the file name whichever you have given and just type php and just click enter, and this is the output. So if I just change this something like code with Arjun and just save this one, and again let me just reload, so you can see the output here. So this is how you install XAMPP onto your MacBook with the Apple Silicon and also write your first PHP program. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, be sure to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.